Hello, this is Silan Software and I am Rasmiranjan Mangraj, a senior data analyst. Today we will do a sales dashboard on Power BI. Check it out. First I will make a text box. Inside the text box I will write sales dashboard. I will increase the font size to 28. Make it middle aligned and I will go for some effects. Background color should be sky blue. Let it be bold. Okay. And on the effects, let there be visual border on rounded corners to 20 pixels. Okay. Now I'll make a card. In that card, I will use sales as my KPI. I will also edit this card like formatting. I will decrease the font size. And I will insert a title that is sales. I will also increase the font size. Make it middle align. Okay. In the effects, I will change the background color to orange and visual border on rounded to 20 pixels. Same for profit. I'll change the title and make it bold as well. Here also I will make it bold. Okay. So this is your two KPIs. Another KPI I will do of discount. Total discount available for this data set. Next, I will make a pie chart. In that pie chart, I will display subcategory as my legends and sales as my values. I will also format it. Visual, detail labels, values. I will change the color to white. For general title, sales by subcategory. We'll make it bold and make it color white. And for rounded corners, I'll make it 20 pixels. Okay. Next, what I will do is I will make a map. In that map, I will go for countries as my location and profit as my bubble size. Instead of country, I will select city. This one also I will format it. Title I will change to white. And I will go for rounded corners. Okay. Next, I will make a slicer. In that slicer, I will add the subcategories. In the format option, slicer setting, I will select it to tiles. Anywhere in the slicer, if I will click, then the values will be displayed as automatically. Okay. Bookcases, chairs, everything will change according to that. I will also change the slicer format. I will change it to font to white color and background. Let it be gray. Values, background. Let it be sky blue color. Okay, so this is your slicer. This is an example of a simple sales dashboard which you can create in Power BI. It's just the beginner level. On advanced level, we will learn a lot more. So for today, thank you.